In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Classroom code as a student. This easy to follow guide will direct you through the steps you need to take in order to access your class code, allowing you to join your class with ease. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to get you to your class as smoothly as possible. Let's start with the basics. Open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. This is where our journey begins. Once the page loads, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed. Now it's time to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your school or the account you use for educational purposes. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Make sure you enter the correct password associated with your chosen Google account. Once you've entered your password, click on Next to proceed. Google does a great job of keeping your account secure, so this step is crucial for verifying your identity. Next, you'll navigate to the Google Apps menu, which you can find in the top right corner of the page. It's represented by a grid of dots. Click on this to open a drop-down menu showcasing various Google apps. From this array of apps, you need to locate and click on Google Classroom. This click will navigate you directly into the Google Classroom environment, a space where learning and collaboration come to life. Upon entering Google Classroom, you'll want to make your way to the Home page. You can easily do this by clicking on the provided link or manually navigating if you're already familiar with the platform. The Home page is where all your classes are displayed, making it easy to find the class you're looking for. Now click on Your Class. This action will open the specific classroom you're a part of. It's like walking through the door of your virtual classroom. Inside you'll find assignments, resources, and of course the class code. Speaking of which, you're likely eager to locate your class code at this point. To find the class code, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Your class code will be prominently displayed here. This code is your key to participating in your Google Classroom. It allows teachers to maintain a secure and private environment for students to learn and engage in. Whether you're a new student joining the class late or you simply need to rejoin the class for any reason, this code is what you'll use. It's worth noting that having a visual aid can greatly enhance your understanding. That's why images are provided alongside these instructions to help guide you visually. These images showcase exactly where you can expect to find each option and what the Google Classroom interface looks like at each step. Whether you're a visual learner or just appreciate having a reference, these images are there to assist your navigation. In conclusion, Google Classroom serves as a bridge between students and educators, facilitating a space for assignments, discussions, and learning resources. Finding your class code is a fundamental part of joining your classroom community. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties along the way, most issues can be resolved by ensuring you're logged into the correct Google account or by refreshing the page. And of course, your teachers are there to assist you with any class-specific concerns you might have. I hope this guide makes your experience with Google Classroom even smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, technology is a powerful tool for education, and mastering these small steps is part of leveraging that power. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in Google Classroom.